Briese lighting system is a lightweight, high-output system available in daylight or tungsten balance. Briese is based around the focus reflector systems, which vary in size from 77 centimetres to 3.3 metres. The focus reflectors are enormously efficient, and you can get a huge output from a relatively small 2.5 HMI or 2K tungsten source. The wonderful thing about Briese is the superb light quality. As all the light coming at you is reflected light, there's no direct light from the source. The Briese light's packed down into 3 flight cases for ease of transport. The Briese light arrives on set in its component parts: ballast, focus tube and head, the safety glass, the bulb, be it daylight or tungsten, and of course the all-important collapsible focus reflector. To assemble the brolly, find yourself a nice flat vertical surface and push. You'll feel and hear the brolly snap together very positively, and that'll let you know you've assembled the unit correctly. Once we've assembled our reflector, all we need to do then is mount it on a stand using this device, the stand mount. Now the stand mount has a face, a flat face, which faces the reflector. Crack it open, place on top, little jiggle, and lock it off. To assemble the head and focus tubes, it's really quite straightforward. The only thing we have to check is that the alignment is correct. There's a safety switch here, which has to align with the safety switch on the focus tube. It's a simple push fit after you've aligned them, and then a twist to lock the unit safely into position. Voila. Once you've assembled the focus tube and head, all you have to do is insert it into the back of the focus unit. Simply push fit and all the way forward to facilitate you putting the bulb in. Fitting the bulb is fairly straightforward. As always, try to avoid touching the glass and hold the ceramic firmly, hold the focus tube and push in, making sure that the safety switch engages, which you can see between the prongs. The UV safety glass is then fitted. Same way, gently place over, a gentle twist and push, and it locks into position, and you'll feel that. This is a direct light filter which stops any direct light coming through from the source itself, and also aids cooling, which is integral to this system. So if you choose to diffuse the unit, simply pull the focus tube back to stop it interfering with the diffusion when you place it on there. Just take one of the fixing lugs and place it in a 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock position. Lock that in with a press stud and then spin the unit round. The unit will free float on its own axis like this, so it makes it quite easy to fit the diffusion on as a one-man operation. Again, simple press studs hold the diffusion in place. And round we go. Fix as you find, just to ensure that it stays on as you go around. Very simple, very straightforward, easy system. And that's it, one lamp quickly diffused. Once we've assembled the head unit, we can then connect the ballast to the head unit. Simple HMI system, which is keyed, only goes one way. Place in and twist. Lock into position like that. Finally, last but not least, the mains connection. 240 volts, the unit pulls about 10 amps, so you can use this off a domestic circuit. Once the electrical connections are made, use the main switch to turn the power onto the unit. The ready light tells us that we've assembled the unit correctly. If the ready light isn't on, that means we've made a mistake during the assembly. The unit won't fire if the ready light isn't illuminated. Simply fire the unit using the on-off switch. The dimmer will adjust the level of the lamp by approximately 1 stop. These are the various sizes that the Briese focus reflectors come in. 220, 100, 330, 140 and 180. Also very popular is the 77. For further information on the Briese system, have a look at our website, www.solalights.com.